Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
May we request everybody, those who are around shopping, can you please come here and join us? Join your hands and chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,